So namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Python's variable declaration rules, right? How to declare variable in Python and how to declare identifiers in Python. So let's see, there are certain rules that we need to remember while we start declaring a variable in Python. Number one, a variable must begin with an alphabet. Numbers can come in between or at last, but beginning should not be done with number. Like, for example, if I say num equal to 5, it's a variable. But I cannot use one num equal to 5. It's an error. I can use num1 equal to 5. So number can come at last. Perfect. There is no problem. Even I can print that data of num1, right? So remember, the variable must begin with an alphabet. Numbers can come in between or at last. Second, a variable should not contain special symbols like at the rate, hash, punctuations, plus, minus, divide, etc. except underscore. Let's see the example. ABC at the rate 123 equal to 5 is an invalid variable. Even the ABC hash equal to 5 is an invalid variable, right? ABC underscore ABC or XYZ equal to 5. It's a variable, right? So underscore is allowed except that any other special symbol like at the rate, hash, plus, minus, dot is not allowed. Space that we call white space in computer science. So white space is not allowed. Like if I write first space name equal to 5. So invalid variable. What is happening here? There are two words now, first and name. Who become the variable now? The data 5 is in name or in the first, right? So space is a default separator. So here separating the two words. So that's why we should not use space. So we can join them by underscore because underscore is allowed. So first underscore name equal to 5. It's perfect, right? Keywords cannot be used as a variable. Like if equal to 5 is invalid, right? Else equal to 6, it's invalid. So any keyword is not allowed, like while equal to 10 is invalid. So any keyword is not allowed to use as a variable in Python. But remember, in Python, there is some special thing is that in Python, we can use all the predefined functions as a variable. And one more thing that we need to remember, in Python, we do not have primitive data types, right? So whatever data types we have, actually, these are the functions, or we can say they are the functions for explicit typecasting. So these functions, which are used for explicit typecasting like int, float, right? str, bool, that these functions we can utilize as a variable without any syntactical error. Like you can see integer equal to 5. There is no problem, right? Even I can print the int. You can see data 5, right? But remember, this is only works in Python. It is not allowed in Java. It is not allowed in C. It is not allowed in C++ because these language has the primitive data types, right? There at that point in Java, C and C++, int is a keyword, right? As well as data type as well. But in Python, these are the data types, but not declared as a keyword. They are the function, right? To explicitly typecast the particular data. So not only this, we can use all the predefined functions of Python as a variable. Even I can use range equal to 5 or any other value. Perfect. I can print range. That's it. Right? So remember, if there is a question like identify the invalid variable from it, so int should not be there invalid. Int is valid. Or even all the predefined functions, all the data types as well, are the valid declaration as a variable in Python. Right? In other language like C, C++, Java, that they are invalid because they are predefined keywords there. Here they are predefined functions, not a keyword, right? So we can easily utilize them, but it's advisable not to use these functions in programming because it is not a good practice. It might confuse you while you are doing the code. So it is not advisable to use that, but there is no syntactical error if you use it. If you want to use, you can, right? Thank you very much.